Good morning, everybody. This is Mr. Mormo. I'm just doing a little video update to let you know how things are going. I had a little issue with my printer last night. The belt came unloosened and I had to reattach it. Unfortunately, one of the screws are stripped, and so I had to use a little zip tie. I'm not sure if you can see it in there to hold it down, at least for now, because the hole is stripped pretty bad. But once I get that working, I printed this little guy just as a little test run, and of course I needed some redemption from my printer being down, so I started this last night before bed. It's been going for 9 hours and 6 minutes, and it's 87% done. But beautiful model for sure. I love how it prints. There's all support that it built up with like these awesome feet, and then he's just hanging out there just being printed. There's 2 more parts to this model, and I plan to print them all and just build this beautiful space setup. Alright, well, I thank everybody for joining me, and have a wonderful day.